shoes now, please. I've been asking you to do that since like 30 minutes ago. And there's a lotion. So, ngayon guys ay another special. Wait. Ooh. Ooh. Hello guys! Good morning everyone! Good morning sa inyo guys. Ika-third day na namin ngayon. Ako parang kailan lang. 3 araw na agad. Ang bilis naman. Ayan, ngayon ay araw po ng Biyernes at dahil ngayon ay Biyernes, sobrang excited ko dahil ngayong araw makikita natin ang napaka-espesyal na activity sa buhay ng aking anak na si Kuya Kahil. Guys, ngayon po siya ang kanyang training na pupuntahan natin para sa kanyang sport na soccer. So, first time namin ni Mama na mag-a-attend since na nag-start siyang mag-training ulit dito sa Thailand. Ayan, na-remember niyo naman nung nag-video tayo na iniwan niya yung bansang Africa to join his dad dito sa Thailand para mag-aral at ipagpatuloy ang kanyang soccer training. So, ngayon guys, samahan niyo kami. Ayan, yung aming place na pupuntahan ay apakalayo. Na-check ko sa aming camera. Na-check ko sa aming GPS at around nasa 45 minutes po yung aming pupuntahan. Pero okay lang kasi it's just on the weekend training naman ni Kuya Kahil. Kaya ngayon ay, ayan, at nagpe-prepare na kami ni Mama. Kanimi 70 ni ha. Punta lang tayong 7-Eleven kasi wala siyang cambio. Wala siyang pang-cambio. 1,000 baht yung aking dala pamasahe. Alright, bibili lang ako na ang inumin dito kasi wala pala siyang cambio. Buti sinabi ko agad. Kasi wala daw siyang pang-change. At yung pupuntahan namin ay medyo malayo. Mahirap na mamaya walang mag-change doon, walang tindahan sa malapit. Kaya, mas mabuti makabili na tayo ngayon. This is the one with jelly. Oh,อะไรคะ What do you want?
There's vitamin C, but I wonder where all the mama is gone.
Vitamin C?
Yeah.
How much is that? Do you have money? You go get money.
My backpack.
Yeah, you go get money.
Long time. Bar, the coach allows me to get a drink for free because he owns it.
What do you mean? That's being funny.
No, serious. I'm serious.
There's no things for free, they buy them.
Yeah, but he says that if you can hit the crossbar, that top thing, metal bar, with the ball.
He allows you.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
I got it for Oh,
Alright guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa soccer pitch ni Kuya Kahil. So this is just one of the places where he actually trains. So iba po yung kanyang training ground kapag weekdays, iba kapag Friday, iba kapag Sunday. So 3 different places po yung training ni Kuya Kahil when it comes to his soccer sports. And right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Flick Football, which is not very far from the city, pero sobrang layo kung saan kami nakatira. We traveled like 40 minutes and I paid like 350 baht or around 700 pesos to come here. Syempre guys, taxi lang po yung paraan namin nakapunta dito dahil wala naman kaming sasakyan, tsaka may baby tayo, kaya hindi tayo pwedeng magpatuga-tuga ng mga magpatuga-tuga ng mga public transport. Ayan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Flick Football pitch where the fun is. Ayan. I'm guessing this is our telephone number. Please make sure you put it on your phone. I can't read guys. So ganito po ang itsura ng kanilang pitch dito. Sa likod na po yung kanilang football pitch. So, meron silang tatlong pitches, pitch A, pitch B, at saka pitch C. I believe Kahil is in pitch A. So, dito na side guys, itour ko kayo ha. Kasi dito nagtitraining si Kuya Kahil para ma-imagine ninyo. So, dito meron po silang parang small canteen where the kids can... Uy, ano, may J&T dito guys. Where the kids can actually buy snacks, drinks, vitamin drinks. May ice cream din sila. Meron silang chips. Then dito naman na side, the parents and the family or the guardians can sit down and wait for the kids while they train. Ayan. So ito po ang itsura ng kanilang pitch. Ito ay ang pitch letter A. I can see from there. Pitch letter A nila guys. Ganyan lang po siya talaga. Yung kanyang grass is yung fake na grass. And then, yan natin. Meron silang mga maliliit na goal post and malaking goal post. And Kuya Kahil right now is already training sa malaking goal post. Meron silang mga benches on the side para sa mga players na are not playing. Kapag sinabi ng coach na stay on the side, dyan muna sila naupo. Careful, love. Bumili si Kuya Kahil ng noodles at saka vitamin C drink niya. Careful ha. Normally, Kuya Kahil is not eating processed food kasi sobrang stricto ng papa niya when it comes sa kanyang diet. So marami po ako nakita nag-comment dun sa recent video natin na nandyan si Kuya Kahil na pumayat daw si Kuya Kahil, hindi daw pinapakain. Guys, my son, our son is deeply loved by us. Most especially by his father. Kahil is well provided for, well fed for. It's just that Kahil has been really active with sports, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang soccer training for the last 6 months, I believe. At katulad nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo, he trains like every single day. And when you are when you're a player or you are playing sports, you should lose the fat kasi it doesn't help. So sa case ni Kuya Kahil sa soccer, he cannot move as fast as he could kapag hindi niya nilose yung fat niya. And I believe and I know na si Kuya Kahil ay matambok talaga guys dahil sa akin. Kasi gusto ko sa mga anak ko kumakain. Ayan. So ayun nga at he lost the fat. He's now very lean. His weight is very normal, guys. Hindi po siya namayat. He lost the fat. That's the term. And he has a very strict diet. He's not supposed to gain more than 2 kilograms when he's with me. Imagine, sinabihan ako ng tatay niya na don't gain more than 2 kilograms. Kasi kapag ako, alam niyo naman tayo guys, malamunin tayo here and there. Wala naman tayong mga diet na ganyan. At ako na-enjoy ako na nakikita yung mga anak ko na kumakain. But even Kuya Kahil is very responsible with his diet kasi tinay na siya ng tatay niya na he should avoid sugar stuff. He should have a limit when it comes to junk foods. So meron lang siyang tinatawag na cheat day. But most of the time, since he was with his father, he eats healthy diet. And Kahil understands why and he respects why. Hindi po yan against sa kalooban ng anak namin. And since he lost the fat, he is more active with sports. He feels a lot healthier, stronger, and faster. Lalong-lalo na sa game na piniplay niya. Ayun. So, ayan guys, sinagot ko lang yung mga napakadaming comment na ginutom daw si Kuya Kahil. Grabe naman kayo guys. Uy, sino bang klaseng magulang ang paggutom ng anak niya kung meron man lang tayong means, why not, di ba? Ayan. So, antay lang tayo ng konti kasi his training starts at 4 p.m. and right now it's like 30 minutes to 4. We are waiting for his playmates at saka yung coach niya for them to start. Alright. So once again, tapusin natin itong tour kasi halfway lang tayo at ako'y nakipagmaritiyasan na sa inyo. Tingnan natin itong kanilang, the rest of their football pitch dito na area. Once again, ito po ay ang kanilang training ground for soccer sports or what they call soccer pitch or football pitch dito sa bansang Thailand, specifically in Bangkok. So let's continue our tour. Let's go! Ayan. Dahil guys, mainit po dito sa Thailand, meron po talaga silang malalaking electric pan. Tulad niyan. Meron po silang screen, flat screen TV, where people can watch sports while waiting. Siyempre, provided din yung mga basurahan. Baka sabihin niyo guys, sa mga bansang ganito, mga damak, hindi po ha. They are very clean and they are organized. Uy, meron pa sila ditong master cooler. Ang init naman kasi lately. At dito pala na side ay merong skateboarding area. So, kung may mga batang gusto mag-skateboard, they can rent also from the same place. So, dito na yung Pitch B. Ayan, meron nagtitraining ng personal with his personal coach. Ngayon, alam ko, ayan na naman ang pinaka-importanting question. Ano ang itsura ng toilet dyan sa Thailand? Madam, malinis ba? Kapag kami mga sports area na ganyan, kamusta yung mga toilet ng mga bata? Pasukin natin. Baka hindi pa natin nakikita yung toilet ng bansang to. Kasi nung nasa Uganda ako guys, lagi ko kinikwento sa inyo na iba po yung toilet nila doon. Tingnan natin dito sa Thailand. So, dito tayo. Ayan. So, let's go to the women's toilet kasi syempre hindi naman tayo makapasok sa men. So from here, as you can see guys, sobrang linis po. Ayan. So this is where Kahil trains most time of the week. Oh, sobrang linis po ng toilet nila dito guys. As you can see, ayan, meron po silang provided na tissue sa loob and also soap. And they have this really wide mirror. Ayan, shout out sa Sheena Bangkok Closet for my Coords Hot Pink. Ayan, and syempre sa aking mga binibentang 18 karat Saudi gold, suot ko po yung aking minimalist necklace na merong heart and dancing chain, 18 and 16 inches. Nagbenta. Ayan, and one of my favorite earrings nga pala guys, this is YSL with pearl, as you can see. I really love it and I feel like it's good on my face shape. Ayan, so yan po ang ating suot ngayong araw. Hindi na ako nakapagkulot-kulot, hindi na ako nakapagplansya, but it's okay. And my sunglasses is from, saan nga ba ito galing? My sunglasses is from Shield. Nabasog. My sunglasses is from Shield, ayan, sa SM. Then, ang shoes ko po ay, ang aking shoes for 3 years. 3 years or 2 years. This is my Puma white shoes. White sneakers.
A few moments later.
Does your dad allow you to eat mama when you're with him?
He tells me I can have mama sometimes, like once a week.
And this is the first one this week. Okay. How about some water? Maybe you have to bring water. You're not taking water when you are training, or your dad packs for you?
We have an ice bucket that's filled with like bottles.
So now we did not have it. We can just buy. Tingala ko, nag-add ko lang siya dito diretsyo man. Nagkuha lang siya. Ano ko, like, bayad-bayad. You like it? You want mommy to have?
So I don't have to drink the soup.
Then how do you cook it? It's not even cooked.
It's cooked. After the noodles become soft and tender, just remove the water out, poke holes in the...
I love tom yum soup. Tom yum noodles. Ayan si mama guys, nasa cellphone. Kasama si Mayumi, natutulog dahil malakas yung hangin. Let me see, what did you get? Nice. This is Tom Yum Kung. Mama. Mama means noodles. Right? And then, ito po yung iniinom ni Kuya Kahil, guys. Vitamin C. Mahilig yung Thailand sa mga inumin na may vitamin C. And speaking of vitamin C, dumaan na kami ng 7-Eleven kanina. Ito po yung aking binili para sa sarili ko. Para siyang, tubig lang naman siya guys, na meron po siyang vitamins. Meron na siyang flavor. Mahilig yung Thailand dito yung mga pampaganda, pampasexy, pampaperfect. Siguro pag bumili ako guys ng mga 50 na ganito, laklakin ko ng mga 1 linggo, baka maging perfect na ako. And then, binilang ko si Kuya Kahil nito, strawberry limited edition na flavor kasi gusto niya yan. And then, bumili na rin ako ng tinapay. Speaking of tinapay, ang Thailand din po ay napakahilig sa pagkain. Kaya yung mga tinapay nila dito guys, pagkadami-daming flavors po, pagkadami-daming palaman. And their bread is really good. That's one thing I miss most here in Thailand. Did you finish it? Huh? You finished? Full na?
eternity later.
So habang tumatakbo si Kahil, naantay namin itong kanyang coach dahil napaaga pala kami ng 30 minutes. Imagine guys, mas fit pa sa akin yung anak ko, sana all. Tsaka palabas na yung abs niya ha, sa edad niyang 11 years old, palabas na yung abs niya dahil nga sobrang lean na, wala na talagang fat sa katawan niya. Natunaw na guys, kakatakbo. Imagine having this field, ang laki nitong pitch na to. And then kailangan niyang ikutin ng 10 to 20 times, 10 to 20 pieces. 10 to 20 times tapos mag-warm up. So nakapag-warm up na siya, sobrang importante ng warm up at cool down, lalong-lalo na kapag nagsusports para hindi sakitin yung katawan. Ayan. Ay, nakakatuwa maging single nanay. Nakakatuwa maging single nanay kasi wala ka namang choice. Yun nga guys, no. Ito kapag minsan nagkakaroon ako ng time na mag-reflect, kapag nagkakaroon ako ng time na panoorin yung mga anak ko, tapos nagre-reflect ako sa buhay ko as single nanay, napapaisip ako sa buhay ng ibang single nanay dito sa bansa natin, no. Sana lahat ng mga single nanay or sana tayong mga single nanay, wag tayong mag-give up. Sana tayong mga single nanay makapag-focus tayo regardless kung gaano tayo kapagod. Lagi ko naman guys sinasabihan na ako, napapagod din talaga ako guys, pero yun nga, kapag napapagod ako, naghahanap ako ng way na magpahinga, mag-distress, mag-aliw, para ready ako lagi sa paghahanap buhay para sa mga anak ko. Ayan. Tsaka importante kasi guys na meron tayong support system. Yan, isa sa akin magiging advice sa inyo. Sa mga single nanay dyan na feeling nyo pagod na kayo, feeling nyo na nanlalanta na kayo sa lahat ng responsibilidad ninyo as nanay sa mga anak ninyo. Di baling isa lang yung anak ninyo, 2, 3, 4, pero look for a support system kasi sobrang laking factor ng support system sa ating mga nanay. Alam ko kailangan din ng iba ng support system, pero iba kasi ang single nanay guys kailangan meron tayong mga taong ready sumuporta sa atin, lalong-lalo na mag-isa lang tayo sa pagbaka-baka para sa mga anak natin. Ayan. Ako nga lagi kong sinasabihan yung mga kapatid ko kapag nagpapakita sila sa amin ng suporta ng mga anak ko, I am forever grateful to them. Hindi ko kinakalimutan at talagang vocal ako guys, lalong-lalo na after the pandemic. I am very, very vocal that I appreciate my sister and my family and my mother and everyone, our friends who supports me sa buhay ko as single nanay. And ayan nga, maraming nagsasabi na tumaba na daw ako, I look better, and you can see that I'm feeling better, that I'm much happier. That is because nasa tamang tao ako guys. Okay? Iba ang nagagawa ng fact na nasa tamang tao ka. Fine, hindi man yan love life, hindi man yan asawa, hindi man yan boyfriend, pero pag nasa paligid mo ay mga taong sumusuporta sa'yo, you will look better, you will feel better, and you will perform better. Hindi lamang para sa sarili mo, kundi para sa tao na nakapaligid sa'yo. Ayan. So I have a lot of learnings guys, no, as a single mother, and every time I look back sa lahat ng mga napagdaanan ko, and every time I look at my children, kapag nag-e-enjoy kami, nag-e-enjoy sila, it makes me feel like lahat ng napagdaanan ko, it made me a lot stronger. Kapag meron ako mga challenges ngayon guys, konti lang talaga. Isa lang yung sinasabi ko actually. As long as okay ako at okay yung mga anak ko, tuloy ang buhay. Yun lang guys. Yun lang talaga. Ayan, bumalik na si Kuya Kahil sa kanyang training. Ayan. So, ito palang training niya ngayon guys, hindi pala ito team training, kundi one-on-one soccer training kasama ang kanyang personal coach. So, nangyayari to every Friday and Saturday. Kaka-message nga lang ng tatay ni Kahil sa akin, sabi niya sigurado ka okay lang sa'yo na ikaw nagdadala kay Kahil sa training. Dahil sobrang layo ng mga training pitch niya at alam pong malayo na yung tinitirhan namin. So, in my heart and in my head, I'm like, oh, thank you. At dahil concerned siya, o, diba? Kahit na hindi naman kami nagkatuluyan guys, at least we are, alam niyo yun, talagang mabait naman kami sa isa't isa. Hindi namin inaaway yung isa't isa, lalong-lalo na kung about kay Kuya Kahil. Ayun. As long as todo support kami para sa kanya. At yun nga, nakita ninyo na sa last episode natin nung nasurpresa si Kuya Kahil na nandito pala ako sa Thailand. Dahil din yun sa tatay ni Kuya Kahil. Yung tatay ni Kuya Kahil kasi guys, ever since na nag-co-parenting kami for him, everything is everything for us is just a smooth talk. Kapag meron ako nire-request sa kanya na ganito, kailangan gawin ganito para ma-surprise ko si Kahil, or kunan mo kaya si Kahil ng video, kailangan ko sanang makuha yung reaction niya, ganun. His dad was always there to support yung mga request ko. And natatawa nga ako, no. Another thing pala guys, nakita ninyo last episode na in-upload ko din, napansin niyo na si Kuya Kahil ay meron ng cellphone. Bakit nagkaroon ng cellphone ang anak ko? For me, personally guys, I would tell you na I am not approved. Or I'm not supporting the fact na bibigyan ng cellphone si Kuya Kahil sa edad niya na 11. Pero nung nalaman ko bakit siya binigyan ng cellphone ng tatay niya, ako na may kumalma. Ganun lang naman kasi yun eh. You have to understand. Kailangan niyo lang talagang mag-meet in the middle. So sabi ng tatay sa akin, gusto niya si Kuya Kahil ay matuto na maging independent pa this year, kasi plano nga sana na baka ilagay siya sa isang boarding school. So ngayon, sabi ng tatay niya, mas maigi na magkaroon siya ng sarili niyang cellphone para matuto siyang mag-book ng sarili niyang sasakyan at magbili ng sarili niyang pagkain kapag wala yung tatay niya. Everything that we do for Kahil guys, this is like a future approach. Alam natin, hindi nga lang ngayon eh. Sa ibang bansa, halos yung mga bata na 5 years old, very independent na. So how much more dito sa Asia? So ngayon, binilan siya ng cellphone ng tatay niya para mag-communicate, para matuto siyang mag-order ng pagkain niya pag walang tao sa bahay, para matuto siyang mag-commute ng mag-isa lang siya. Ayun. Nakita niyo yung last natin na paglipad dito ni Kuya Kahil, alone lang siya. So that was a very, very big step for us as parents para sa kanyang, that is moving towards him being independent. Ayun, cellphone. And other than that, ay talagang nag-training din siya na mag-vlog katulad ng ginagawa ko. Napapansin niya naman yung ginagawa ko eh. Kaya ngayon parang every time na umaalis kami together or lumalabas kami, kumukuha rin siya ng video here and there. So I'm happy. I am very happy. Ngayon, natatawa ako kasi sabi ko sa kanya, "Uy, ang profile, ang kanyang wallpaper yung tatay niya." So in my heart, ang saya ng puso ko at ang warm ng puso ko knowing na mahal na mahal ni Kuya Kahil yung tatay niya. Okay? So pagkita namin, nagpicture din siya. So yung lock screen niya, yung tatay niya, yung home screen niya, kami naman ng kapatid niya, o 'di ba? Kilig to the bones naman yung nanay, guys. Other than that, ano pa nga ba? Yung cellphone mo ba, walang mga laro-laro yan? Kasi di ba kapag may cellphone yung bata, yung unang gagawin is puros mga laro, mga online games. So sabi niya sa akin, sabi ni daddy, maglagay lang daw ako ng laro kapag naging okay sa'yo. Magpaalam daw muna sa akin kapag okay sa akin para ma-check ko daw ng maayos kung ano yung larong nilagay niya. During holiday lang naman. Kasi holiday niya ngayon eh, 2 buwan na summer holiday. So I'm happy na binibigyan ako ng importansya ng tatay niya when it comes to our parenting decision, kahit na hindi ako kasama ni Kuya Kahil. O, diba? Touch kayo dyan. By the way, guys, huwag kayong kiligin. Okay? Ako, kinikilig ako sa fact na we are trying to be the best parents around our son. That's all. And I am proud to say na sobrang peaceful kaming dalawa when it comes to co-parenting pagdating kay Kuya Kahil. Ayun. So, huwag na kayong kiligin, guys. Okay? Nag-move on na po ang all.
A few moments later.
Only 3 words.
What?
Don't give up.
Who said don't give up?
You can feel the pain in your body, but you can still, even though there's pain in your body and you feel like you can't do it anymore, you can still push through. I felt burn on my legs, but
Yeah.
I continued running even to see if I would still continue, and I could, even though I was going through all that pain.
So even if it's painful on your feet, you still continue to run. Let me see the level of your sweat. Make me sweat. Let me see. Wow. Even your nose has a lot of sweat. So you said that you want a haircut. Where do we cut the hair? Only on sides? How about this one on the top?
I like it.
You like it? Okay. I think if I will push you to cut it, you will have to box me. I box you.
Yes, you have to fight for it.
I fight for it. Are you sure? Because if you tell me that if you can touch my nose, then I will allow you to cut my hair. So I'll have to box you. But we have to be on the bed, so it's not painful when I box you and you box me. But promise me, if I'll be able to touch your nose here, the tip of your nose, I'll be able to cut that hair. You
Well,
see?
you maybe-
So you have to run away from me until I If, okay?
Just do
But for
it
me, I
here.
have a technique. I'm going to tickle you in your kilikili, and then I'm going to touch that nose so I can cut your hair. What do you think?
I don't want to cut my hair.
Yeah, but we have to have a deal. I touch the
don't
tip
wanna
of
be
your
a
nose.
ball. I
No,
don't
just a
wanna-
little bit, just here, oh, so to clean.
I like it.
Just
I
like this.
My messy hair.
You like the messy hair. Your face is so small. Like a gummy bear. Poop, poop.
Your face is so small.
Your dad was asking me, are you okay? It's too far for you, the travel. I said, it's okay. I really want to see Cahill train.
I don't think coach is even coming. What time is it?
I told your dad already. I hope he's coming because we are here.
Took us
It's
like
already
40
4:30, I think.
Took us 45 minutes to get here. I don't want to go.
Are you done with warm up and everything?
Yeah?
Show them your t-shirt. Stand up here and we show them your t-shirt. Where did your dad buy that?
From here.
Okay, that's the uniform. And then at the back says movement, speed, strength, power, agility, endurance, regeneration, intelligent, football skills. Yahoo! Sponsored by, is it? Which sponsored by? Barca. Barcelona, right?
Yeah, Barca.
And then your shoes. Who bought your shoes?
Dad for my birthday.
For your birthday.
Yeah.
Were you happy with that gift?
Yeah, because it cost like 2,000 baht.
I know it's expensive. Me, I did not give you any gift. Just my presence as your mom is enough.
Oh, you didn't give me any gift yet? I thought you already gave me your gift.
Which gift was that?
I thought you gave me a gift.
That's your sister. That's
yeah,
your gift.
that's exactly what I thought.
Oh, so sweet. Look, I say so sweet.
It's so sweet.
If your coach is not here, then we will end up eating without exercising.
I want to go to the mall.
We go to the mall. Which mall?
The mall that's just 2 minutes away.
But your dad is joking me. Let me talk to your dad first, okay?
Can I call him?
Yeah.
Miss na daw niya yung tatay niya guys kahit 2 araw pa lang sana all. Parang love na love talaga nila yung isa't isa, no? Very good. O diba, hindi ka ba masasaya niyan, masisiyahan yan kapag ganyan yung relationship ng mga anak at ng tatay. Very good yan.